Okay, fresh, wait, oh, that's my problem. Alright, well, I guess we need to go in and get some other things done on this. So, there is this linkage is rubbing on this fuel line, and every time I move the linkage in and out, there it was loosening the linkage, and now the fuel line just fell off, or the linkage was rubbing on the fuel line and pushing it off. So this has may have a cut in it. Luckily I have some spare line, I think that's the right size, but we're gonna have to deal with that before we can run this some more. So I guess low batteries was not the problem.